morning. This is, again, a 14-day cruise and a little older crowd. I have to be careful how I say that because I'm one of them. But I'm going to show you what it looks like at 7 o'clock in the morning. 7 o'clock in the morning, there's not a chair to be found. God's waiting room. So we'll all be decked out in Italian here shortly. He's going to do is he pulled the cord all the way across the deck, and they'll tie it up, and they'll have their string, and they'll do it all the way across. Looks like a lot of work. And he'll come out that door and he'll get it up there somehow. We'll figure it out. Missed.
to dinner.
We had a
I'm
fun
so
day.
hungry. I didn't eat lunch, so I'm starving.
I didn't eat lunch.
No, you didn't eat lunch.
Nope.
We'll see what they got. We'll see, let you know if we like it.
I did eat an omelet for breakfast.
We did, and a bagel. Half
Yep.
bagel.
All right, so we're heading to dinner,
Yes.
and
We'll let
the
you know
menu.
if we like it.
Well, the menu is not very good tonight. We don't really care for the menu, but we'll let you know what we get right about
Yeah.
now. Chicken noodle soup, chicken tenders. I guess I'm a hungry little guy here. And look, she's stealing my stuff. What are you doing? God, she steals my stuff all the time. Steals everything. Stole my heart. Stole my food. Got the salad.
Greek salad.
Oh, I'm sorry, Greek salad.
Thank you.
Christine got the crab cake, and what else is on there?
Shrimp and crab.
Shrimp.
And it's a
Oh, and this
coleslaw.
guy, he got the crab cakes as well.
It was
and
underneath, yeah.
the chicken tenders.
Oh, this is so good.
All right, Christine got the swordfish. Kevin got a chicken breast.
That's what I wanted.
He better order some more food. I got the linguine,
Well, what's that?
mushrooms, and shrimp.
Tell me
And Terry
what
got
that
a mini burger.
It's not mac and cheese.
It is
but-
mac and cheese.
No, but it's cheesy potato.
I don't know what's going on, but Terry must be a little hungry.
Yep.
She got ice cream, butter pecan, I don't know what that is.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. I got coffee coming, and I got a cheese plate. He got ice cream, which now he's happy. Oh, and you got
Nothing.
nothing. Oh, that's BS. The lighting is horrible, but where are we going?
We're going to see a guy with the last name Sinclair that's going to do the Rat Pack songs. He's supposed to be really good and he won the voice.
Yeah, I got that. Dean Martin, Sammy Davis Jr., and
Frank Sinatra.
Frank Sinatra.
There you go.
Sorry,
Alrighty.
we're old people. All right, we'll see you there. I'll bring you some of that now.
All right, bye-bye.
No, I got it, dude. I get them for free.
Hit the Rosso for showtime. Now let me ask y'all out there, who loves themselves a little jazz? I'm a mess without you. Take my lips, I was for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. Me and Mrs. Jones, we got a thing going on. Whether I find my place in this world or never belong, I gotta be me. Georgia, Georgia, the whole day through. Just an old sweet song keeps that Georgia on my. When marimba rhythms start to play, dance with me, make me sway.
I'm just shaking.
Gotta be careful with this guy right here, man. Be careful with that guy. Thank you, Evan.
Amazing.
Good evening.
You
gotta be careful with these things. They'll spill all over the place. Yep. What a relaxing day, right, babe?
Yes,
Very
we had
relaxing.
sea day, outside all day.
It was cloudy, it was sunny, it was cloudy, it was
We had a
sunny.
good time. We had a nice
Yep.
dinner. And then we went to a show. It was really nice.
It was.
Tomorrow we'll be in St. Thomas. We're not sure what we're going to do.
We're going to paradise.
We're not for sure what we're going to do.
We're going to paradise. Beautiful view. I'll bring you that tomorrow.
She said I'm going out with my girlfriend.
We're
Just
in
kidding.
karaoke right now.
Karaoke.
We're just going to sing that.
No, I'm not. That ain't happening. I'd run everybody off. All right, well, we'll see you in the morning. Be in St. Thomas. That's our first stop. So we are 2 days down, 12 days to go. Say goodbye. See you in the morning.
Bye.